Vani Manogna, SSP. Yes, yes. So let me start the session. Yeah. So I hope you people are doing practice well from YouTube. I uploaded all the videos in YouTube, right? And I uploaded the notes in Google Drive also. Please do practice well from that. And I'm trying to opening the last class. What is the last class we are discussing about? So last class 29 by 10. Yeah. So inside this, yeah. So in the last class, we discussed about the conditions and we discussed about the indentation kind of concepts, right? A lot of indentations we discussed in the last class. How indentation is working in conditions, how indentation is working in loops, and how indentation is working here. How indentation is working with the uh, functions. So we're done with this so far. So indentation working, we have three things done so far. One is uh, conditions, one is about functions, one is about loops. So today we will discuss about these particular different kind of objects. How we can able to work with the string object, how we can able to work with the list object, how we can able to work with the tuple object, how we can able to work with the set object, and how we can able to work with the dictionary object. Okay, so let me try to create a new folder for today's session. Just wait for 1 second. The system is Visual Studio Code. No problem. So I'm trying to creating a new folder here. And sorry, what is it? Let me try to create a new folder in folder here. So today I'm giving 1 by 11. So let me try to open this 1 by 11 here, and I'm trying to creating the notes here. Notes. Okay, so today we will work out about strings, and after that list item, and after that tuple, and after that set, and after that dictionary. So we see about the strings first. So how strings are going to be handling that? How strings are going to be handling it? What is happening? Give me 1 second, guys. Maybe some issue with the laptop. So we know how strings can be defined with. So strings in Python can be defined with can be defined with. So single quotes, double quotes, and triple single quotes and triple double quotes also. So these are the different ways to define the strings in Python, and we try to do what are the different kind of operations we can able to perform with the string. Okay, let me try to create new collab file, Google collab, collaboratory. Yeah, I'm trying to preparing the new file today. New notebook in Drive. Okay, so here I'm trying to prepare a new notebook. And here I'm trying to give him the different kind of objects. So first we see string object, then we can go with the list object. Later we can go with the tuple, set, and dictionary also. So first we go with the strings. Okay, what are the different kind of operations we can able to perform with the string? So name is equal to something like Srinivas. Okay, so if I want to access the name, I can able to access the name and just execute it. It is connecting with the cloud notebook. Just objects operations. Okay, so I got a Srinivas here. And what kind of operations I can able to perform on this particular string? So now my string is name. So now we are trying to presenting a lot of operations on strings. A lot of operations on strings. The first operation is I want to multiply the string or I want to iterate the string. Okay, you can go with the multiply. So multiply is the one operation which can able to perform with the Python. Suppose for example, name into 10. So if I say like this, name into 10, what is happening? Srinivas is going to be printing for 10 times. So this is the name and the name into 10. 10 times I want to add the Srinivas. So Srinivas is going to be printing for 10 times. The one operation is called name operation. Name operation is performing here. And one more thing, concatenation is also performed for the string. For example, name plus name, name plus name plus name. So what is happening for this? Name plus name plus name. So I have a variable called name. I'm trying to concatenating the name and name and name. So finally execute this. So Srinivas is going to be printing for 3 times. So you can perform two operations. One is a star operation, one is a plus operation. Here plus operation is concatenation. Here plus operation is concatenation. This is a string concatenation. String concatenation. So string concatenation is possible and string multiply is possible. So a number of times I can able to perform the string. Okay. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear here? Manogna? Yashasvi? Bhavani? So I'm trying to working with the two operations. The first operation is the star operation. Star operation is basically iterating the string. And one more operation I'm performing, that is the concatenation operation I can able to perform. So for example, I want to print a string. For example, I want to print, so hello, I am learning Python. Hello, I am learning, I am learning Python. So in this particular string, this is a string basically. But what my requirement is, I just want to highlight my Python. I just want to highlight my Python. I need to give the codes for the Python. So when I want to give the double quotes for the Python, when I want to see double quotes for the Python, what I want to do is, so go with the print here again. And I'm trying to giving the double quotes for the Python. Okay, I want to show Python again in the double quotes. I want to show Python in the double quotes. It will give you error. Why? Because double quotes already available for the string. Double quotes already available for the string start and string end. So then you don't give the double quotes again inside the string. Inside the string, whatever the highlighting point you want to do, for that you don't give the double quotes again. Whenever you are trying to giving the double quotes again inside, automatically it will give you error. So what then? What the solution for this? What the solution for this? Solution is very simple. Solution is very simple. You can give the single quotes here. So string, this is also double quotes and single quotes. Okay, single quotes you can specify inside. Then automatically you can see the single quotes here. So you may ask a question, no, sir, my string is always have double quotes and inside I want to see the double quotes. So some people will ask a question. So I want to see the double quotes for the Python. So that is possible actually. So you can do in another way. What is the another way is before this particular double quotes, you can give the backslash. You can give the backslash. When I say backslash here, so maybe this is the backslash or forward slash. Sorry, this is the forward slash. There is a forward slash. You could say this one. You can say this one. This is the forward slash. You can give the forward slash here. When I say forward slash here, then double quotes also allowed. When I am providing the forward slash there, when I am giving the forward slash there, that forward slash is actually allowing your double quotes. Forward slash is allowing double quotes. Okay, so let's have the one more print. Okay, so Manogna using Manogna's phone is iPhone. For example, I want to show like this. Okay, so Manogna's phone is iPhone. I want to show like this. So this is okay, possible. This is okay, possible, but I want to print the same statement. Sorry, I want to print the same statement with single quotes now. I want to print the same statements with single quotes now. So Manogna's phone is iPhone. I want to show in the single quotes. Then again, you think it will give you the solution or it will give you the output. So tell me, guys, what is the output of this? It will give you error or it will give you output. Why? Because I give Manognas. When I say Manognas, I am saying some fast phase. When I'm saying some fast phase, it will give you the output or it will not give you the output. What is the solution? Please ping me in the chat box. Please ping me in the chat box. It will give you the output or it is the error. It will give output or error. It will give you output or error. Error. Exactly, Bhavani. This is error. Already it is showing. Already it is showing underline. Already it is showing underline. So that is error. So obviously error. Why? Because of the problem is. So here already one single code is available. For string already single code is available. And again you are saying something like single code here. So it will give you error. So in this case, again the same formula you can apply. What is the formula you can apply? So one formula is you can start your string with the double quotes and close with the double quotes. Then Manogna's iPhone is iPhone. You can print this. Okay, no problem. I want to go like this. Another way. There is another way. Yeah, you can use single quote here. There is another way you can use single quote here. But whenever I am giving the fast space and you can provide a forward slash. When I say forward slash, yes, that is allowed. You are using single quotes only for the string, but you are giving a forward slash for the first phase. Automatically Manogna's phone is like, yeah. So this is the way you can able to work with the different kind of things. Okay, I want to print a string. I want to print a string, but it will take a different number of lines. I want to print a string, but it need to take a different number of lines. For example, this is full stack. Okay, full stack. I'm learning HTML, I'm learning CSS, I'm learning JS, I'm learning Python, I'm learning MongoDB. So this is what my requirement is. I want to show each and everything in the new line. When I want to say a new line, what I can do is I can say backslash n. Every time I'm trying to say a backslash n. When I say a backslash n, automatically it will take a new line here. When I say backslash n inside the string, automatically it will take a new line value. These are the multiple kind of operations I'm trying to perform in here. So now what is the output of this? Getting my point? How I can able to work? How I can able to work with different kind of things? How I can able to work with system is issue laptop. Who is operating my forward laptop? Yeah. What is happening here? Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so fine. Let us go. Let us go with some other operations. I want to iterate the string. So whenever I want to iterate the string, For character, character in name. Suppose, for example, before that I want to specify a name. Okay, name is equal to something like oh my god. Keyboard automatically వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Keyboard issue. Give me 1 second, guys. Name is equal to something like Sirisha. Name is Sirisha. So what my requirement is, I want to iterate the name. I want to iterate the name. Okay, so print each and every character. Print each and every character. So what is happening here? Can you please try to observe print character? So here, just print a name. First of all, I am printing the name. Name is something like Sirisha. So what my requirement is, I want to iterate each and every character from the Sirisha. So SIRISHA. Each and every character is iterating from the string. But I want to access only the first 3 characters. Whenever you want to access only first character I want to access. Okay, so here, this is what actually iterating operation. From the string, you are iterating the values. Iterate operation. Iterate operation you can perform. Okay, one more operation is accessing values. Access. Okay, so for example, name of 0. What is happening with the name of 0 is, something like first character from the name which is going to be giving you access. What is the first character of the name? It is something like S. It is something like S. What is happening here? So for example, this is Sirisha, right? C B Sha. C B Sha. So this is basically your name. But this name is going to be having indexes. Name is collection of characters. This collection of characters are going to be sitting into the indexes. This index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whenever you want to access only S, you can specify name of 0. Name square braces 0. Name square braces 0. Then only S will print. Okay, I want to access only SIR, sir. I want to access only sir. Whenever you want to access only sir, what you can do? Whenever you want to access sir, what you can do? Okay, name of 0 is this, and the name of 1 is I. Sorry, name of 1. What is the name of 1, guys? What is the name of 1? Name of 1 is this. Name of 1 is this. Name of 2 is this. Okay, but I want to access SIR in the single line. Okay, what I can do for that? Name of 0, 0:2. 0, 1, 2. When I say name of 0:2, what is happening? Okay. SI came. Okay. Instead of that, when I say 0, 2, 3. Okay. 0, 2, 3. Okay. 0, 2, 3 means what? SIR. Here, remember the point. One more time, I'm drawing the picture. C, B, sharp. C, B, sharp. So try to observe. I want to access SIR. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So if I say 0 to 3, if I say 0 to 3 like this, what is happening? The first index is start index. First index is start index. The second index, second value, whatever I'm giving, end index -1. First one is starting index. First value is starting index 0 I'm giving. Second value also I'm giving. Second value is 3. 3 is nothing but 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? What is 3 minus 1 here? It is 2. It means 0, 1, 2. It will print only 0, 1, 2. What is 0, 1, 2 from this Sirisha? What is 0, 1, 2 from Sirisha? S, I, R. So the final output is S, I, R. Remember, whenever you are actually accessing the value in the forward way or forward index, 1 second. Hello. So right, so everybody got to understand how this SIR came into the picture. Everybody got to understand how this SIR came into the picture. Okay, for example, I want to access all the values. For example, I want to access all the values. I can say double colon. When I say double colon, all the values are coming. Okay, so name of double colon minus 1. When I say name of double colon minus 1, so Sirisha is printing, but it is reversed mode. It is printing reversed. So what is the reversed mode here? Sirisha is printing, yes, but SIRISHA. Sirisha is printing in the reverse mode. Okay. When I say, for example, name of minus 1. So you may ask a question, sir, what is the minus 1 index? So 0 index is S. 0 index is S here. 0 index is S here. But what is the minus 1 is? Minus 1 is something like a negative value. A negative number I am giving. Negative number I am trying to access. Whenever I am saying a negative number is something like a back index. A backward index. Backward index starts with minus 1. Forward index starts with 0. Remember? Forward index starts with the 0. Backward index starts with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. Getting my point? Getting my point? So in this way, you try to access the reverse number, back number. So what is the name of minus 1? Name of minus 1 is something like A. A is nothing but what? A is nothing but what? A. A is nothing but what? The last index of the Sirisha. What is the last value of the Sirisha? Last value, last character of the Sirisha is something like minus 1. And name of minus 1 is that. Name of minus 2 is what? Name of minus 2 is what? H. In Sirisha, name of minus 2 is something like this. Okay, for example, you can see the name. You can see the name. What is the last index? Last index value is A, and before last index is H. So I'm trying to accessing the last index. I'm trying to accessing the last before index. What is the last before index? Last before index is this one, minus 2. Last before index is minus 2. Hope this is understanding. Hope this is understanding, everyone. Okay, so for example, I want to access the thing like name of yes. I want to access the name of 0 to 0 to minus 1. When I say 0 to minus 2, 0 to minus 2, 0 is the starting index, and second value I'm trying to giving the minus 2. When I say 0 to minus 2, what is that? Okay, so something like SIRIS. Okay, there is no H, there is no A. Minus, so minus 2 also included. Minus 2 also included. Remember. Minus 2. Till minus 2 it is not coming. Till minus 2 it is not coming. Okay. So in this way, you try to access the values. For example, I take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. Nums of nums of double colon minus 2. When I say double colon minus 2, what is happening? Okay. Double colon minus 2, what is happening? Anybody guess what is happening here? Nums of double colon minus 1. Nums of double colon minus 1. What is the double colon minus 1? Double colon minus 1 is just reverse. When I say double colon minus 2, what is happening? Anybody guess? Or nums of okay. Nums of laptop మార్చండి సిస్టమ్ బాగలేదు. What is happening? I don't know. Mouse problem, laptop problem. Problem ఏంటో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. మౌస్ ప్రాబ్లమా సిస్టమ్ ప్రాబ్లం? Okay, nums of double colon minus 2. What is happening with the minus 2? This is the minus 2. Okay, nums of minus 3. When I say minus 3, what is happening? So can you see and observe what is happening here? When I say nums of minus 2, 2 step is going back.
Any matchbox?
2 step is going back. When I say minus 3, 3 step going back. When I say minus 2,
Can you connect this?
hello, ma'am. When I say nums of minus 2, double colon minus 2, 2 step going back. When I say double colon minus 3, 3 step going back. So this is the way strings are working, and you can able to pick up the strings and all. Okay, you may ask a question, sir, I want to insert a character for the string. String is immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? I will tell you. Strings cannot able to append value. Strings cannot able to insert value. From strings, we cannot delete value. Okay, so something like in strings, we cannot do append, delete, insert operations. We cannot do append, delete, insert operations. We cannot able to add something for the string. For example, I am trying to creating the name 1 now. Name is equal to Srinu. I'm trying to taking a new name here. This is name. So name dot append. I'm trying to appending the value for the name. I'm trying to appending the value for the name. Name dot I'm trying to append operation. I'm trying to doing the append operation. Append operation I'm trying to do. So what is happening? Append operation is not performing with the string. Why? Because name is string. Strings cannot have append operation. Okay, I'm trying to remove something, or I'm trying to insert something. Let me try to insert some value for the name. I want to insert some value for the name. Name dot insert. Okay, I am trying to inserting a character called Z at 0 index. I'm trying to inserting something. So insert operation also cannot able to perform. I already told you strings are immutables. What is the process of immutability? What is the process of immutability? Immutability, nothing but static. Okay. Immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? String cannot able to perform append value operation, and strings cannot able to perform insert value operation. Strings cannot able to perform delete value operation. Strings we cannot do append, delete, insert operations. Yes. So I'm trying to appending something, it is not happening. I'm trying to appending something, it is not happening. I'm trying to inserting something, it is not happening. Okay, let me try to delete something from the name. Name dot remove something like character called S. S is Srinu. So from Srinu, I want to remove the character called S. From Srinu, I want to remove the character called S. I'm trying to remove the character from the name. So when I'm trying to removing the character, no, not possible. No, not possible. So some operations cannot perform on strings. Why? Because of strings are immutable. Only few operations are performing on string. One is multiplying string, one is concatenating string. So concatenation is possible, multiplication is possible. At the same time, iterating is possible. At the same time, picking the values, however you want to can able to do. Picking the value from 0 to 2, picking the value from 0 to 5, picking the value from reverse, picking the value 1 step, picking the value 2 step, picking the value 3 step. Everything is possible. But append is not possible. Insert is not possible. Delete is not possible on top of the strings. Why? Because of strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. Remember the point, guys. So we see some other operations on list, tuple, dictionary, etc. So please practice about the strings today. So see you signing off. Tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow we have the session. Please connect. Nagurucha. Nagurucha.
Yes. That is, PPT also finalized.